If you need a more efficient, easy-to-use engraving layout software, look no further than Carpathia Graphix interface. Carpathia saves valuable time creating layouts and saves runtime on your machine with efficiency that no other software can match. In this video, we'll take a quick look at several of these unique features. Carpathia is plate-driven, making it more efficient to lay out engraving jobs that have multiples of either static information or variable data. Here we have a 1x3 tag with a logo. We enter our material size of 24 by 12. We duplicate this plate to the total number needed. It automatically populates our material with the maximum amount of tags. After the first sheet of material is full, it automatically starts a second master. If we need to cut each plate out, we turn on Grid Cutout. This cuts a sweeping grid pattern with no duplicate cuts. We can turn off the grid cut and apply a gutter size that's perfect for using with a fixture. First, we use a 1/4 inch gutter. Then we add an X and Y offset of an additional 1/4 inch. Variable data has always been challenging and time-consuming for engravers, but Carpathia makes it easy. Here we demonstrate a 1x3 tag with name and job title. Copy the variable data to the clipboard, then use the text merge feature. You can merge individual fields, or if the data is listed in the correct order, all fields at once. If data for an individual field is listed out of order, say last name then first name, you can merge the first name, then copy the list of last names and use text merge extend to add to the name field. This eliminates the need to create data files with labeled columns. It's as simple as copy and paste. Prefixes and postfixes can be added to a field when merging data. In this example, we need to add an asterisk at the beginning and the end of each number we merge, so the barcode scanner knows when to start and stop reading. There's no limit to the number of fields and amount of variable data that can be merged into a job. The serialization routine allows you to enter the start number and either range or quantity of plates to create. Each job can remember the last serial number you used, or you can save the serial number globally to be used with any job. You can also add prefixes and postfixes to your serial number. If you have several jobs to run on the same material, you can merge jobs, helping you maximize material use without consuming layout time or wasting material. You can merge as many jobs as needed. Rim drive cylindricals are generally easy to use but can provide challenges when dealing with tapered or step diameter objects. Here we demonstrate the potential problems engraving a 40-ounce tumbler. If you engrave on the diameter that the drive wheels are turning, all works well, but if you need to engrave on a different diameter than is being driven, the artwork will be stretched or squished. Carpathia easily deals with this issue. We want to engrave on the lower area of a 40-ounce tumbler, so we enter 3-inch diameter for our X dimension and 2.5 inches for our Y. Carpathia automatically calculates the 3-inch diameter to be 9.425 inches. Once we have our layout completed, we go to the print menu. Carpathia automatically provides the plate size to any print driver capable of receiving it. We rotate sideways left, then we change the diameter from what we are engraving on to the diameter being driven by the cylindrical wheels. We enter 4-inch diameter, and Carpathia automatically adjusts the aspect ratio of our artwork so that it will engrave the proper size. All of the settings in this print output dialog also save with the job file, so we can now use this job as a template for the lower area of a 40-ounce tumbler. Data matrix and QR codes are becoming more and more prevalent. The military and many companies now require all parts purchased to have 2D code serial numbers. Carpathia makes the creation and management of these codes much easier than any other software. To create a code, select any lines of text to be included, then click the data matrix or QR code button. One of the unique features of Carpathia is the ability to see the contents of any 2D code by using our wireframe view mode. Carpathia can merge variable data with 2D codes the same way it does with human readable. Select the fields within the code to merge data, copy data to the clipboard, then merge. Again, at any point you can use wireframe view mode to check the contents. Carpathia provides the ability to invert the 2D code as needed for different material applications. A field within a code can be changed at any time, or the code can be converted back to text. Human-readable text and 2D code fields can be used with text merge or serialization simultaneously. The job command feature allows you to automate the software, saving valuable time and reducing the chance for errors. Job commands can be entered to reduce the number of clicks that it takes to go from opening a template job till printing, or even fully automate a job so the operator does not even have to see the software. In this example, we're using a serial number template job. Without using job command, each time we open the job, we would need to delete all of the previously created plates. If the part number needed to be changed, the operator would need to notice this, select it, and change it. Next, select 2D code, then the serial number field within that code, select the human-readable serial number field, open the serialization dialog, enter the number of plates or range to serialize, then finally output to printer. With the job command feature, we can allow the software to eliminate most of these steps. When we open the job command version, the first thing we see is the part number dialog box. We can either change it or cancel past this prompt. The next thing we see is the serialization dialog. We enter the range or quantity, then select OK. After that, the print dialog appears. In this example, with just a few job commands, we save 16 mouse clicks, and we prompt the operator to check the part number, eliminating the possibility that it's overlooked. Job commands can even be entered to perform a text merge from any text file you point to, allowing in some circumstances the operator to not have to use the software at all. To enter job commands, open the job settings dialog, enter the commands desired, then save the job. Next time it's opened, it performs all of these commands. There already exists several pages of available job commands, with more being added regularly. The Carpathia print driver allows a user to print a Carpathia job file from any program that has print output. This allows you to easily convert existing files and other software programs to Carpathia. If you prefer, you can create graphics and/or template layouts and other software, then use Carpathia for all of the multiple plate and variable data heavy lifting. Carpathia has over 20 engraving fonts and a hatch fill routine that make it a great rotary engraving software, allowing you to use one software with all of your engraving equipment. The data module allows for any text fields like serial numbers, customer info, or part information to be sent to a data file, eliminating the need for an individual to manually enter all of the information into a database. Carpathia Graphix interface is a powerful program that can save hours upon hours of layout time and machine run time. It's efficient, easy to learn, and easy to use, making this software solution a must-have for any engraving shop. For more information, visit onesmallstep.global.